Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I do farming from Binance Full, and then it goes directly to my wallet. So here, you have to log in, say, this is the home page. You just go to more, click the pool, and then here it will show you statistics. Then this one, click the Etash if you're farming Ethereum. So this is my current statistics. Normally when I calculated my total hash rate, it's around 420. So this one here shows sometimes higher or lower. I'm not sure how it works. It could be from the lock. And then so here to show you what you are getting. So this one of my GPU crashed while I'm trying to tune in, and then I'm still sleeping, and then I wasn't able to fix it right away until I woke up. And then so here yesterday income is 0.028762234, and then that one goes directly to my Binance pool, and then you can swap it right away, and then you can play around with the trading or cash out, but like P2P. And then if depending on your country, you might be able to withdraw it from your directly to your bank account. So here, let's go to my earnings. So here, this is what I got yesterday. And then it says by average daily hash rate is around 373. Yeah, I'm just not sure why I'm not getting 400 plus. It could be from the lag, or might be because I have a little bit high of latency. And then so for this one, we'll go to my account, Binance pool. Oh, by the way, this is a daily settlement, so you get paid every day. And then I don't see any extra fees. I'm not sure if there will be like gas fee for sending it to your pool once you get paid. It won't show here, so I'm not sure how to compare it, because if it's not, then you make a lot of savings from transferring your earnings to your wallet. But this one, yeah, I'm still trying to work on it. So let's go here, back, wallet, you go to the pool. So this is where your earnings will come. So remember, I earned 0.028. This is how it works. So here, it did not say anything about the transaction fees, so I'm not sure about that one. So here it will show you when it was sent to you. It's supposed to be, oh yeah, it says 0.0030, but I only get 0.028, so probably I paid like transaction fee. And then it says on their website that it's going to be 0.5 mining pool fee. I'm just not sure if there's going to be a transaction fee every time they paid out. So I'm not sure. Yeah, just let me know. Then this is my mining. I just check it from my phone. So for example, here, these are this one have 3 GPUs there. These are all 1660 super, and then it's making 31.7. It has mine a Hynix memory, that's why I have to put it to -500 to memory clock to make it work properly. Otherwise, it's going to show you a very low hash rate. And then this is the trick for this one. I think it only works for this model with Hynix memory. Then let's show you the other one I have. So this one is going to be think this one's 1070 Ti, 2060 KO, 1660 non-Ti, and this one will be 1660 Ti. Okay, and then this one is 5600 XT and 1 Vega 56. So this is where I got the problem, trying to work on my Vega 56, trying to make it a little bit higher, but it keeps on crashing. So I think this is the best settings I can get for this, unless I have to update the BIOS from the Vega 64 and then install it to Vega 56, but I don't want to take the risk yet. And then for cashing out, this is how they usually do for this. So from your for example, you go to your pool, you transfer it, and then you will send it to your spot wallet. So for example, this will be your spot wallet, and then you can move this one to your P2P. And then for the P2P, let's say you want to swap it, transfer like this one from spot wallet to P2P, and then now you can transfer it and then sell it to a trader. So like this one, P2P trading. So for example, you have Ethereum, you don't want to convert it, then you want to sell it right away. So check here. So normally they'll buy it for around 85,000. This one, I'm not sure if I'm going to give a try here, but it only have 11 trades, 84.62 completion rate. So I'll probably go with this two, but it's a little bit low or high, I'm not sure. So if you're going to sell it, this is their current exchange rate. So for example, you sell it here, then yeah, there's no fee. So for example, if I'm going to sell this one here, sell, and then put your amount. For example, you have one. I don't have any right now, so I can show it to you. And then and then you just have to follow it. I will show it to you how I do transaction before. Here, P2P order. So here I sold my Ethereum just to give it a try. It was a few days ago, and then this was still high, and then yeah, I gave it a try. Then this one I tried to buy Ethereum, just playing around when I was still new with this one, so just to make sure I know how it works. So next time if I fail, it will be a little risk. Okay, that's all for today probably. So yeah, and then also, by the way, for farming, this is what I sometimes try. Like if I want to try how much I make in one day for a certain graphics card. So let's say here this 0.001832229, that's the one I made from one graphics card. It is 1066 gig with an average 24.5 hash rate. So this one, I'm not sure if do you call this, if they have transaction fee that is not shown here. But yeah, that's all for now. Thank you.